Hi, this is Adam Berg, Global Solution Architect at Veeam Software. I'm here with Janine Walter from NetApp. Janine, welcome.
Thank you, Adam.
Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you do at NetApp?
Sure. My name is Janine Walter, and I'm a Senior Technical Marketing Engineer for data protection, covering all things ONTAP.
So I want to talk to you about something that keeps coming up in my customer conversations these days, and that's the negative performance impacts that backup has on our mission-critical applications. What are NetApp and Veeam doing together to solve that problem jointly?
So I'm glad you asked me this question because this is one of my favorite topics. And one of the things that we're working with together is being able to build a backup from a snapshot, which is amazing, right? If you think about that, because what we can do there is we can actually take a storage snapshot and harness that power to build a backup, right? So a lot of times what happens is if we're just taking like a VMware snapshot, we can get VMware stuns, things like that. One of the great things about using a storage snapshot is the impact on production is almost zero. So when we take the VMware snapshot, it's only open for about 3 seconds. There's really no Delta changelog getting created because it's so quick. So the impact on performance is almost zero. And then we can actually take that snapshot and build a backup from that, an actual Veeam backup from that, giving us a snapshot and as well as the flexibility of having a backup too. And one of the really cool things that make NetApp and Veeam unique is that NetApp can actually do that with a replicated snapshot as well. So we can actually take a primary snapshot, replicate that using SnapMirror, and SnapVault, which is really cool because we're using the storage efficiency of ONTAP to do that. So it's a very efficient replication method. And then when we get to the secondary site, we can actually build a whole backup from that replicated snapshot. So if you're talking about zero downtime to production, there it is right there, right? So we take our original primary snapshot, we replicate it to the secondary site, and at the secondary site, we build our whole backup there. So it's really fantastic when you think about that, and that really gives us the opportunity then to reduce any impact on production whatsoever.
Thank you so much. Where can we find out more about NetApp and Veeam technologies, and where can we find you on social media?
So you can find that at netapp.com/Veeam, and you can find me at J9Walter on Twitter.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Adam.